all, welcome to the greenhouse. Kind of a new one. It's not really tall enough in here for me to shoot as high up as I need to, so you're just going to pretty much watch the beds. But I need to swap out some of the dirt and get some new stuff in these old dried out beds. And yeah, that's one of the projects for today. So once again, thanks for stopping by, and away we go. Alright, got a bunch out. I'm going to bring some bags in, dump them, spread them, and start watering this up. We got stuff hopefully sprouting soon, and yeah, so bust these up a little. These can go in the yard. I'll be right back. Oh, we got cows. That's right. All right. Mix this up a little bit. Moisture, and I'll mix up some fertilizer and spread that in, and not that, and yeah, get stuff growing. So alright guys, thanks for coming by once again, and we got a bunch of more projects coming. Bunch of videos coming out, and once again, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.